So in Wales we have lost many of our native hedgerows, and these hedgerows form important components of both our rural and urban environments. Again, in Wales, hedgerows are a priority habitat, so they help to maintain biodiversity, they provide vital ecosystems, and they help us tackle climate change. They are also a source of food and shelter for a wide range of wildlife, and they provide a corridor linking up those habitats. However, despite all of these benefits that they provide, only 17% of them in Wales remain in good condition. So this project is particularly crucial in Saltney, as Saltney has one of the lowest urban canopy covers across the county, as it only has 5.5%, and that's in comparison to the county average of 14.5%. So the UK SPF have allowed for ground preparation for the works, lots of biodiversity enhancements such as hedgerow creation, wildflower meadow management and creation, and it has also allowed us to educate the local community. So we've had local councillors out on site helping with the work, and we've also had the local primary schools come to help us with the work, and it just gives them a bit of an opportunity to learn about the importance of environmental conservation. So Saltney Coastal Hub is one of 8 coastal hubs forming the Flintshire Coast Park. It was chosen for this project as the Saltney Hub is one of the first hubs that you come across when you come into Wales, when you cross that English border. It also builds on the work that we've used in previous SPF funding. The project has allowed for cross-departmental partnership working, so particularly with the Flintshire biodiversity team, and this has allowed for more staff resourcing, more funding. So we've also used Welsh Government's Local Places for Nature funding, and it has allowed the involvement of the community, so the local councillors, the local primary schools, and that just means that they can have a bit of ownership over the project. So people can get involved in many projects that we do across the county, and if they want to learn more or find the opportunities, they can have a look at our website.